Here I've got Poptel P8 and let me show you how to activate and use boot mode on the following device. At first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key and click on power off then. Wait until it's shut down and then tap on power key and volume up key, hold both keys all together. And now you are in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key and for selection use volume down key. So you can go to recovery mode, to fast boot mode or to normal one and then use all of them as you want to. And in my case I will go back to the normal mode, so let me choose normal and then tap on volume down key. Just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now you are back in the normal mode, so you can go back to the normal usage. So that's it. That's how you can use boot mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.